birthday. Hey, happy birthday. Happy birthday.
I have the best aunt and uncle in the world. It's my birthday. They took me to stay at a hotel tonight. We went shopping. They can say me happy birthday. Now we're gonna go to dinner and we're gonna go swimming. Stay tuned in the next couple of weeks to see more.
Going to Stone Ridge, gonna get some good food.
Let's go.
Come on.
Holy tits. The marijuana, I'ma smoke it down to the stingers. What I donna, I'm gonna do my
Yeah. And we rated in the 6th grade fucking though.
Yeah.
We survived, barely. Gotta go to work, driving up the mountain, and I'm gonna puke.
Hola, hola, hola.
Wait, that's actually perfect.
Come on, guys, let's go hike.
You're kidding. Stop.
To piss myself, why don't we pee before we came out here?
This will be good for the bloopers.
And then go picnic somewhere.
I'll have to make that cheddar.
Just got to pop us some beers. Carrington just got in town, long drive. We're all celebrating with a quick drink before we take her up to Pisgah for the first time. They're taking it.
Daiquiri. I couldn't remember if it was pina colada or a daiquiri.
That looks delicious.
This is what a grocery haul looks like, with no way to really cook meals. Luckily, they do feed us 3 meals a day, so this is more of just snacky stuff.
I was just making some chili Frito pies. I just ran out of my one bag, and I grabbed the second bag, and we realized it literally feels air is still in it.
Yeah, shake it. No.
I'm not joking, this just happened.
So we're out here having a girls' night.
Oh my god!
And I was on my way to my bedroom to grab a laptop so we could do a painting video, and you guys,
Look at the snow in your hair!
snowing, bitch, it's Christmas in April.
So that's a keep. And then for the lady.
What whiskey do you have?
We just got done eating at Tupelo Honey. We went bowling and now we're at a game bar playing some motherfucking Pac-Man. Best day ever. Family day! Plus Jason.
Guys, I'm at 10,000. You're crushing it. Oh, that was good defense. That was good defense. And I am the high scorer. Jason's gone. Once he's engaged, he's not going back.
Okay.
He can't stay bust out the. Took us a long time to get to the room. We parked in the parking lot about a mile away. Carry all of our luggage to the casino. Past the lady with a broken leg. We saw it all.
Now we're about to go down and gamble a little bit of money. We have a bowling alley here on site we want to check out, and a lot of fun restaurants we're going to go walk around and see and decide on where to eat.
Bon appetit. Save money work this morning, breakfast, lunch. I've got the day off. About to go for a nice quick cruise.
Hey, Jay, you told me to ride my one, but I didn't want to.
We're just out here hanging out after a nice one-wheel sesh, chilling in the hammocks, me and my boy Jay Munster, enjoying a nice relaxing day off.
Good morning, 6:30 a.m. We're on our way to breakfast.
Never, even last year. Really? Yeah, even last year, yeah.
Rockets up that way. Huh, 2.3 miles. Yeah, that's not bad. Interesting. This is my favorite.
This reminds me of the disc golf course for sure.
Okay. The tunnel is just to the right.
Ah, cool.
No, it's the video, it's the vlog.
Well, hi.
I know, hey, vlog. Let's take
Audience.
Right there by
Oh, this is someone's breakup thing, bro. Someone left this up here to get over it, bro.
You think so?
Absolutely, all the hearts and I love
Ah,
yous and
you're right.
poems.
And it looks like this was the girls.
definitely a couple.
Nice.
Say hi to the vlog, guys.
Coming, your car's coming.
Last minute decision to go zip lining.
That's delicious.
Looks like a donut's whacking off.
That's delicious. We are currently in Weaverville, North Carolina. Little impromptu trip to explore some parts of North Carolina we haven't seen before. We're enjoying our time in the hot tub now. We are going to go get some dinner later or have it delivered, depending on how we're feeling.
We made it to dinner. Come along.
Elijah thought it wise to pack animal cookies for our hotel trip tonight.
Pisgah Inn. It's cool.
Float life, baby. down here in Asheville, going by the French Broad River.
Guys, good morning, good morning. It is Father's Day, Sunday the 18th. I am working a triple today because we just recently fired a few servers, so we're all having to work a few triples this week. That's from 7 a.m. till about 10 p.m. depending on when dinner ends. Elijah did it yesterday and made a little under $700, so my goal is to beat him. Alright, so breakfast has not been as busy as I anticipated, but positive vibes, we'll see what happens. Note from the table, precious. My sales were $645. They owed me $87 from credit card tips, and tipped out Kevin the busser $18, and I have $26. Paid $113 for breakfast. So, all right, now we're gonna take some pre-workouts to get us through lunch. Taking some. I say pre-workout, it's amino lean. I mean, a few scoops of it, you know, gets you some energy, but nothing too wild. Pretty good, huh? Alright, y'all, Kevin missed the last round of pre-workout because he was still on break, so I'm gonna do another one with him. Friends don't let friends dry scoop alone. We've added a monster. Let's go. A rattlesnake right there. Lunch is done. Ended up getting a bit busier. Made $254 plus the $113 I made at breakfast, putting me at $367 for the whole day so far. You getting ready for dinner? Got Jason. Misty's with us at dinner still. And we got Elijah. It's gonna be a good shit. Oh, and we got Tiff, of course. But let's see how tonight goes. It's not gonna be too busy. Our covers are only like 100 something, very low hundreds. Alright, so it is the next day, Monday the 19th. I forgot to finish recording last night. I was super tired after work and came home. Making me $282 at dinner, I think, after tipping out around $44. My total for the entire day was $650 even, after tipping out a total of $105 to our busters, Kevin and Danny. Not the best triple I've ever had, not the worst triple. The way our shifts work is breakfast is from 7 to 10, which is 3 hours. We don't have to be back for lunch until 11, which we're usually done by 3:30, so 4.5 hours, so 7.5 hours, and then dinner is 5 to 8:30. 11 hours. So $650 divided by 11, if you look at it like that, is $59 an hour, so not too bad. But I was at work from 7 a.m. until 9:30 p.m. So there's that. Yeah, so that is how much money you can make in a triple as a Pisgah Inn employee, and here's to hoping we get more servers soon and we can all stop doing them.